So this season, I've been more focused on design rather than fabrication, because I taught a bunch of kids how to fabricate, and what that entails is all the industrial machinery we had donated from GM, so the mills and the lathe, as well as like drill presses and that sort. I've taught them how to use those machines safely, so they are able to fabricate pieces that I've designed or someone else on the team has designed to with like within thousandths of an inch. So the Spindexer is what the majority of prototyping is, and it's entirely my design. And there's just been a bunch of small changes and like small adjustments that had to be done and have to be done uh, to get it as best as it could possibly be. Like constant iteration, I would say. And then, I mean, I have also been fabricating where there's just something small that needs to be done. I design it and I 3D print it, or I'd go work on it on the mill. So I had the idea for a T-shirt cannon that was non-pneumatic, and then there was little fanfare about it. So I designed it all, and again, there's little fanfare, but I designed everything for it. And then I designed a working shooter. And once I had the shooter done with just two sims we had laying around, I was able to get three other kids who were interested enough to help fabricate it off of the design I made. I mean, there's a lot that goes on outside of the shop. I have a printer at home that I've been using like constantly for the team. Nick, who's one of our mentors, has given me filament, and I would take it home and just start up a print overnight or during school, or just sometimes several during the day where I leave robotics, get it, and come back. Just prints constantly because we're 3D printing a lot of parts for the robot this year.
What?